Scene 3. The Sneezing Garden. The footprints lead Farmer Hart out the barn side door and into the bright, beautiful flower garden. But as soon as he gets close, he smells something that he's very allergic to: zinnia flowers. He lets out a huge achoo as his eyes start to water. The vibrant, colorful flowers gently sway in the breeze, releasing even more pollen into the air. Farmer Hart's eyes are getting very watery, and their runny noses sneezing so much that the farmer can't see the missing farm friend's footprints. How will Farmer Hart deal with the flower pollen? Choose an animal or texture and decide how it helps.